make a video. Sorry for the noises. We got a heater and a half fish tank in here. And today, I'm gonna finish this set of flares right here. Sorry, my hands are green. I've been removing the tape on here, not super well, just with the heat gun and the screwdriver, just kind of picking at it. Because these flares need to get on. I've had these since October, and it's December 4th, and I've made no progress. So, I'm not going to show the front flares on camera. Probably just going to do an update like, oh, this is what they look like. But it's about 7:45 at night, and there's some of the excess. So I'm just going to make a time lapse of me removing this junk. It's not fun at all, so I'm not going to show the rest of the flares. I already have one flare done, but this has been sitting on this table for about a week now. So I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to get started on removing this junk. Alright, I didn't know how long the time lapse was going to be, so I just cut the time lapse right here. Time lapse was only about 30 seconds, so I'm going to finish this up, finish the rest of these up, and I don't know when I'm going to see you all, but once all these flares are done and I get this tape, we're going to mount them, finally. Also, I'm going to be sanding down the fenders. If you haven't heard already, the back fenders, there's a little bit of rust. I know they rust from the inside out, but just for my peace of mind, I'm going to sand down that rust that's currently there and just put some Rust-Oleum primer on there. So I'm going to finish this flare up and the rest of the flares up, probably just this one for tonight and the rest of them some other time. But we're going to get to mounting these probably within the next week, I'd assume. But I will catch you all when we are mounting them, or rust repair actually. Well, normally I don't go off topic in videos, but I'm going to be going over about 2 days after I did my flares. Just decided to do a small detail on my truck. Clean it up. It is winter time, trying to keep the salt off it. But I also cleaned up the interior. I don't know why, I just wanted to include this in my video since normally I don't update what I do on my truck. But I cleaned up the interior. Other than this interior is so much nicer. Cleaned the carpets, the pedals, this little insert on the carpet. I just made it look a lot nicer. Well, time to get back to the fender flare video. Hope y'all see a little update. No, obviously the flares aren't on because this is before they're installed. This is about 2 days after the time lapse, so. Alrighty. Week and a half after I have the flares on. I have the front flares on. Been driving, put them on yesterday. I've been working on these back flares. Got it all sanded down. Didn't really record sanding it, it's kind of boring. And then I just have some JB weld where there was a big crack to keep the water out from just piling up in here because these two fenders are put together. So I have this side done and I'm painting this side as we speak. Just have it, you know, masked up with some cheap cardboard and whatnot. Just putting thick coats about every 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna fill that hole with JB weld. Probably not the best idea to do, but don't really care about the overspray in here. I've been holding a piece of paper behind here, but overall it's pretty good. I'll be mounting the rear flares tomorrow maybe, or really late tonight at like 9 when it's pitch black. It's about 5:30 right now. But yeah, I'll make the video whenever these are fully installed on the truck. What's up, YouTube? It's December 25th, 2018, and I finally got the truck cleaned up with the flares on. This is a super nice Christmas day. the truck. Looks great with the fender flares. I love them. I'm also going to record another video today. It's probably not on these right here or these. You can take a guess what it's about. But here's the look, finished look. Most people don't have painted flares on a regular cab long bed. Never seen it before. But they look good. Honestly, overall, for cheap rust fix or buying these flares for $100, they're a little rough. But they look good. They definitely set off the truck. Well, that's going to be it with the fender flare video, and I'm going to start recording another video today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.